Well, hello. Today I have this is Pearl Harbor, the Ultimate Collector's Edition. It slides out like that. Let's just do a cardboard box. You don't want to see that. Lovely, lovely artwork. Ben Affleck, Kate Beckinsale at the bottom there. Then on the back, pictures. Now the DVDs slide out like that. Now in DVD 1, you get Pearl Harbor the movie, and then that's what it's like inside. And you get art card number 1 and art card number 2. And you get this booklet. Let me just show you. So basically a booklet about the movie and how it was made. So yeah, that card's really cool from the guy that was in the movie. Oh God, I don't know his name. But yeah, the Swim edition's really nice. I particularly like the art cards. And now you just slide it back in like that. Now this is Pearl Harbor discs 2 and 3. The special features are the making of Pearl Harbor, production diary, theatrical trailer, international timeline, super 8mm montage, reconciliations of our Pearl Harbor nurse, Faith Hill music video, 1 hour over Tokyo, attack sequence, domestic destruction, animatic attack, boot camp, still galleries, yeah, to get them all. And inside here, let me show you. Inside there, it's like a flipper disc, and you get one disc there and the other disc there, and you get the other art card of him there telling you to join the army, and then you get then they're asking you there for the nurses. There we go. Other art card, and let me just get this back in the other way so I can get it back in. Yeah. Really cool edition, and I wanted just to read something to all of you. It's famous words by President Roosevelt. Yesterday, yeah. So basically, President Roosevelt reads out the colonizations. So yeah, it's a really nice DVD. It goes back into this sexy compartment. I thought I'd give you a close up at the pictures. Kate Beckinsale there, in all her glory. And Ben Affleck there, and then it just slides back in like that. You get it like that, and I also got one of the most funniest people in the world, Peter Kay, my favourite. The Tour de Tortoise is good, but this is my favourite. Just you can't like Peter Kay. Anyway, like, rate and subscribe down below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.